Hi, it's Mike with Fresh Castle. Just want to go ahead and give some more cleaning tips for you. That way so you're prepared and ready to go for any cleaning needs, whether you run a cleaning business, whether you're going out individually, or you're just taking care of your home needs. So the tip of the day is going to be gloves, going out ready to go, protected for your jobs, for your home. Common basic understanding, making sure your safety, your health, wearing gloves when you're cleaning like toilets, bathrooms, kitchens. Shoot, if you run a cleaning business and you're just going to people's homes, anywhere in the home, you wear some gloves. You're not only protecting things that look dirty, you're also protecting yourself from viruses, pets. Some of us might be allergic to pets. Certain things you touch, you're touching surface areas. If you're allergic to cats or dogs and you go ahead and wipe your face, you wipe your certain areas, your neck, you could get exposure and get red, get irritated, things like that, dirty. So what I like to do is I like to wear gloves. I'm a little bit more conscientious of touching myself with gloves, as well as you can take them off. I'll still wash my hands. I just like to make sure that I'm clean, ready to go. These gloves that I buy for the crew, these are by Clean Safety. These are the, Protect Black Easy Donning Gloves. They're nitrile and a vinyl blend. I've noticed these work pretty darn well, being a blend. They're powder free. They don't make your hands sweat even though they're powder free. And they're pretty strong. So I bought in gloves from like Dollar Tree, cheap gloves. They're going to rip on you very easily. You want something that's going to last you, last you long enough to get through that section of the home. That's one thing too, is you don't want to wear gloves in the toilet, in the shower, and then go and cleaning other areas of the home. So you do want to be conscientious taking those off, replacing with new ones. Also, as well as you're running a crew, you don't want people wearing gloves, taking them off in 10-15 minutes and putting new gloves on. So that's why it's important when you're having people go out and clean, or when you're cleaning, to finish a section and do it. If that's going to take you 30 to an hour and a half, finish that job. That way so you can go ahead and save yourself on product. So when you're changing gloves, you're ready for the next section. Like I say, these I buy typically from like Amazon. You can get them online if you just Google the Clean Safety gloves. Protect Black Easy Donning Gloves. These are great. I usually get them in the large size. Haven't had any issues with people with smaller hands wearing them. Haven't had any issues with bigger people wearing them. It's pretty much an all-round for that. Unless you're an individual that's a bigger individual or a very smaller individual, these should be able to fit for most people. I usually buy them in packs because gloves are going to be used pretty much all the time. I do like to use gloves in my own current home. I like to get a little baggie, put the gloves in for my bathroom. I like to have them in the drawer next to the sink in the kitchen. If I'm picking up, if I got pets, if you have pets, you can pick up any little messes. If you're taking the trash out, anywhere where it's needed. Wearing gloves is important. It also shows the professionalism of what your cleaning crew does. This day and age, ever since COVID came around, I was more conscientious about wearing masks. I like to personally wear a mask when I'm cleaning homes, even though it's not a necessary thing back in this time now after COVID. I still do because, I notice allergies affect me big time. I go into people's homes. Those homes may have pets and all different kinds of, things from people going through. They may not change their filters frequently. There might be a lot, in the air, there's dust mites and things like that. So you just haven't been in that home. You don't know how people live and take care of themselves. I've noticed it's been more useful for me to wear, face mask when I'm cleaning, especially when I'm cleaning ceiling fans, light fixtures, debris coming in the air. I'll notice that that'll affect me for the next better half of the day, and they may not even have pets. They may have pets, So it's something to very much consider, making sure that you have gloves, making sure that you have face masks. Usually when the crew wears face masks and they have gloves, they're looked at as a professional service because they know what they're going into. We clean everything from clean homes to homes that you may not dare to walk into. So it's very important about safety and protecting. Have these prepared, ready to go for your crew. Like I say, I wouldn't go buy cheapo gloves because you're going to be spending more money on getting those ripped every few minutes versus spending a little extra money on these. If you buy them in packs, they're not that expensive, and they're, you know, I would say good quality gloves. So that's one thing. If you like the insight and info, give Fresh Castle a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to us. Give us any comments. We'll go ahead and reply back. We love to give feedback to the community. That way so we can provide value for anybody for cleaning tips, things like that. Remember, Fresh Castle Cleaning in San Antonio, 210-900-7926. If you have any questions, you just want to hit us up, anything about cleaning needs, we'd love to collaborate. Thank you and have a great day.